In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your Wix website using a Lightbox element. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to not only add a Lightbox to your site, but also customize it to fit your own specific needs and set it to trigger at just the right moments to engage your audience effectively. First, let's navigate to your Wix editor. Once you're in the editor, direct your attention to the Add button located on the left sidebar. Click on it and you'll see a variety of options that can help you enhance your website's functionality and design. For now, we're focusing on the Lightbox element, which can be found in the menu options. A Lightbox is essentially a pop-up that you can use for various purposes, whether it's to announce promotions, collect email addresses, or even offer a quick bit of information to your visitors. Once you find the Lightbox option, click on it and you'll be presented with several templates to choose from. Select the style that best matches your website's aesthetic or goals, and with a click, it will be added to your site. Now that you've added the Lightbox, it's time to customize it. You'll want to make sure the message displayed is clear, concise, and aligned with the objective you're trying to achieve. Click on the Lightbox and an editing panel will appear. Here, you can modify text, change fonts, adjust colors, and even add images or videos. This is your chance to ensure that what the Lightbox conveys is both visually appealing and aligned with your website branding. After you're satisfied with the design, the next step is to set the Lightbox triggers. Triggers determine when and how the Lightbox will appear to your website visitors. You might choose for it to show up immediately when someone lands on the page after a set amount of time, or when the visitor scrolls to a certain point. This can all be easily configured in the Settings panel. Consider the user experience so that the Lightbox enhances rather than disrupts your visitors' interaction with your site. Once you're happy with the customization and the triggers are set, it's time to publish your changes. Click on the Publish button on the top right side of your screen. This action updates your live website with the new Lightbox functionality. It's a good idea to preview your site to ensure everything looks and functions as you intended before sharing it widely. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to enrich your Wix website using a Lightbox. By being careful with your design choices and strategic with your triggers, you can vastly improve your audience's engagement and interaction with your site. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy editing.